Okay. Waited 5 days. You know what time it is, man. You know what time it is. Oh, shit. Dude, the late talaga ng table ko. Siya the bigger one. Ay, gago, naka ano pa ba? Never mind. Okay. Actually, we can do it from here. Pero, you wanna see the packaging? Pretty good, man. This is mainly for proof when I do this, TBH. Kasi minsan wala sa box. It's happened before. So we record them and then I post them because like, why not? Actually, I have ano na. I have Stacy OT8 and I bought Aya from someone else. So, wala pa akong Colette Maloy, Prayo, Mika. Obviously, any duos, very good. Sheena rin bumili ako from someone else. Gwen, Mika, Colette, Maloy, Prayo. There. You get one each. Plus, I think creme densada yung isa pa. Creamer pala, sorry. And then, yung PC, syempre. I'm keeping the boxes, man. Pretty good. Last. Buti lahat may laman, di ba? Alright, first one. Pangit ng opening angle because my mic's here. And then the phone's there. Pero, whatever. Para sa inyo na lang yung angle. Okay. Please. Oh! Shit! Okay. Yeah. Okay. Dubs already. Okay na ako. Second one. Please. Bang! Oh! Aya. Sayang bumili na ako eh. It's fine. Aya equals tradable. Last. Actually, okay na ako. May makulit duo. Did not expect it. Please be good. Boom. Oh! Okay. That's a dub, dude. That's a dub. Colette. Makulit. Aya. Dubs, dude. I only bought 3. I don't know, man. Good luck. It's good luck.